Hi guys, so here's a quick little unboxing of the Prada mini Saffiano bag. So you see here I already opened it. It comes with this one dust bag and those papers and of course the authentication cards. So here's the bag in all its glory. This. You can see the double stitching at the bottom. This little side piece here, this little D-ring with the Prada logo right here. What's different is that the zipper is the rectangle shape versus a little diamond shape for the re-edition 2005. There is no stamp of a re-edition 2005 on the little tag anymore. Here, as you can see, is the little double shoulder strap moment. And here is the little mechanism of how it turns into one longer strap. Yeah, so here is a quick first glance. Very simple, timeless bag, if you ask me. So I just got my little measuring tape to measure the straps. So when I hold it up, the measurement from here to here is about 38 centimeters, and the strap is 77 centimeters. So this is not meant to be a crossbody, just a long shoulder bag or the shoulder bag. Yeah, so hopefully this video helped you decide if you want to get this bag or the crossbody version. I think you can't go wrong with either one. These are great timeless bags. Thank you.